guys, good afternoon. This is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video today. I'm excited to share with you 3 quick and easy, inexpensive DIYs that I want to do. Now, some of these are from the Dollar Tree and some are things you already have in your home. Now, my husband loves these little nuts. They are blue diamond almonds. He likes the smoked house ones. So he saved these cans for me. So I have 3 of these little cans, and you will need to remove the top and take off your labels. It comes off very, very easy. And the color is fabulous. So you will need 3 cans or 2, whatever you decide you want to do. I'm doing in 3s today. So you'll need some succulents, and you can choose whatever you want from the Dollar Tree, Michael's or Joann's. They sell them, and actually they have a 70% going on right now. You will also need some kind of embellishment. I hauled this from Hobby Lobby, and I went ahead and measured out the size of my can, and I want to go ahead and wrap it around and then spray paint. So I'm looking for a design. You can use a paper, you can use a cutout, whatever you want to use that's better for you, but I have this already and I just thought that's a great design. So recap, you'll need your succulent, your 2 cans, you need some foam. You will also need the dry moss, and it came from the Dollar Tree. You will need some form of embellishment or design that you can use to leave a print on your can. You will need scissors, razor to cut your foam, your glue gun, and glue sticks. We're going to need to spray paint, so you will need spray paint of your choice. You're going to need 2 different colors if you desire to do it the way that I'm sharing with you today. All right, I'm going to go ahead and spray paint my can, come back, and we can move to the next. Once you have spray painted your can, you're going to need to take your embellishment. You can use lace, you can use rope, whatever you want to use to give you a design. I'm going to wrap that around. This is how one of them turned out. They're not fully dry. Now, I started out with the embellishment that I shared with you from Hobby Lobby, but I decided I didn't like it. I wanted to try something new, so I went ahead with the lace. And I think I really like the way that looked. So we're going to take a generous amount of glue, cover the bottom of the foam, and go ahead and insert it right in the center of our container. Press until it's down. Once you've gotten the coverage that you're looking for with your moss, you go ahead and choose whichever of your succulent you want to use. I'm going to go with this one. And I want to say, I'm going to bend it so it's not too long for the can. I'm going to insert it all the way down. And guys, how beautiful is that? I love the way that turned out. All right, I'm gonna do the same for the other 2, and then we'll start on the next project. Guys, I decided I want to add some twine to the centerpiece. So I got some of the Dollar Tree twine, and I'm going with 2 strips of it. Then I'm going to divide it in half Lay some glue down in the back. Place my twine down. Next DIY is going to be inexpensive, functional Dollar Tree utensil holder. What you're going to need for that is 3 of the office pencil holders. So these are already pencil holders from the Dollar Tree. They come in different colors. I've seen them in white, black, blue, and I want to say red. You'll need 3 of those. You'll need 1 of the chalkboard. You will need 1 of the Dollar Tree shovel. You'll need the Dollar Tree rope. You'll need 1 of the Dollar Tree toy. These are building shapes and they're kids, you can find it in the kids department, the kids toys. You'll need your scissors. You'll need a screwdriver, 1 of the tiny ones. Your glue gun and glue sticks, and guys, this is going to be a very functional utensil holder. So if you're going to give it as a gift, I would suggest that you use E6000 onto this project. I am going to use my Gorilla Glue sticks. So let's get started on this. Forgot to mention, you definitely need to spray paint. So I'm going to possibly do 2 colors. I'm going to go ahead and take my screwdriver and put pressure down and remove my stick. You will also need something to cut your stick with. I'm thinking to cut it in half. You can use a saw, the Dollar Tree sells them as well, to just cut it in half. So I'm gonna go ahead, do that, spray paint, and come back. I decided not to spray paint my chalkboard because it's black already and it looks perfectly fine. And I went ahead and cut my wood. So now what I want to do is take my rope, my Dollar Tree rope, and I want to roll it. So I'm going to go ahead and roll it 1 time. Let's see. For measurement, roll it 1 time. So I'm going to go ahead and add a generous amount of glue right where I rolled it. I'm going to place where I cut it right on top. Hold that in place until it's dry. definitely need something here. And as I was in the Dollar Tree, I saw this and I thought this would be fabulous to use. It's in the toy section and it says grows. Basically, they're just starfish and it's a jelly form. I think it will be perfectly fine. Guys, I glued it on and it wouldn't stay. The rubber would not stick to the rope. So I went ahead and cut off a little piece, cut it in a circle, glued the cardboard to the gel, which is the starfish, and then glue that paper to the rope, and it seemed to work. So when you get ready to add, if you're not using a real starfish, you will definitely need to add a piece of cardboard to it before you glue it onto your rope. Now I want to go ahead and add my piece of the puzzle onto the top. Now this fits perfectly. So I want to go ahead and add a generous amount of glue. This next DIY is a Dollar Tree decorative picture frame wreath. So what you're going to need is one of the Dollar Tree picture frame. You're going to remove everything and just leave the shell of the picture frame, just the frame. And be careful because they're not real wood and it's not very sturdy. I believe I want to go ahead and just pull all my little wires out, these little things. Once you've removed your little black wire things out of the back, you're going to need some yarn of your choice. This one is from Hobby Lobby and it's clearanced out for $1.99. You'll need some embellishment, and these are flowers that I got from Hobby Lobby, and they are $4.99 and 50% off. You will also need scissors, glue gun, and glue sticks. So let's get started on this quick and easy, beautiful decor. So guys, this is how it turned out. I love the colors on this. So I went ahead and started the bottom just for time purpose, and we're going to do the top together. So the first thing you want to do, I think the key to any designing is starting with your larger pieces first. But before we get started on that, I want to position my leaves on where I want them to go. So guys, this is how it turned out. Absolutely love the way that look. Okay, so now I want to take a piece of the yarn and I do want to separate them. They come 3 colors. And I believe I want to go a little bit darker. I'm going to go with the darker one. And what I want to do is take my yarn, go up under my leaf, and I'm going to tug on this very tight. What I'm going to do is add a tap bit of glue and tug to hold it in place. We can trim the excess off in a bit, and it will look like that. Just hold it until it's dry. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. Absolutely love the way it looked. I hope you do as well. If you do, give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends this video. I truly appreciate your time and your support, and I look forward to seeing you in my next DIY.